I canceled a 00 per month social media manager last week. This AI tool did the same job in 11 minutes.
We tested all 5 of these tools for 30 days. Tool number 3 surprised us the most, and it's the one nobody is talking about.
From Hootsuite to Agorapulse, we're covering the top 5 social media management tools that can save you time and money. Hootsuite is a game changer for social media scheduling. It saves you time and money by automating your posting process.
With Hootsuite, you can post to multiple social media platforms at once, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It also has a content library for easy access to your media files.
In our test, Hootsuite saved us 5 hours of social media management time per week. That's a significant cost savings of $50 per hour.
The one thing that makes Hootsuite worth paying for is its analytics dashboard. It gives you valuable insights into your social media engagement and helps you track your progress.
Buffer is another top social media management tool that can save you time and money. It optimizes your post timing for maximum engagement.
With Buffer, you can post to multiple social media platforms at once, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It also has an analytics dashboard for engagement tracking.
In our test, Buffer saved us 3 hours of social media management time per week. That's a significant cost savings of $0 per hour.
The one thing that makes Buffer worth paying for is its optimization feature. It helps you increase your social media engagement and reach a wider audience.
Sendible is the most surprising tool we've tested. It manages all your social media accounts in one place, saving you time and money.
With Sendible, you can schedule posts in advance, track your engagement, and analyze your social media performance. It's a game changer for businesses and entrepreneurs.
In our test, Sendible saved us 10 hours of social media management time per week. That's a significant cost savings of $0 per hour.
The one thing that makes Sendible worth paying for is its comprehensive features. It's an all-in-one social media management tool that can help you grow your business.
Sprout Social is a powerful social media management tool that provides in-depth analytics and reporting.
With Sprout Social, you can schedule posts in advance, manage up to 10 social media accounts, and track your engagement.
In our test, Sprout Social saved us 5 hours of social media management time per week. That's a significant cost savings of $50 per hour.
The one thing that makes Sprout Social worth paying for is its in-depth analytics feature. It helps you track your social media performance and adjust your strategy.
Agorapulse is a robust social media management tool that provides everything you need in one place.
With Agorapulse, you can manage up to 10 social media accounts, schedule posts in advance, and track your engagement.
In our test, Agorapulse saved us 5 hours of social media management time per week. That's a significant cost savings of $0 per hour.
The one thing that makes Agorapulse worth paying for is its ease of use and comprehensive features. It's a game changer for businesses and entrepreneurs.
In summary, we've covered the top 5 social media management tools that can save you time and money. From Hootsuite to Agorapulse, each tool has its unique features and benefits.
By using these tools, you can save up to $500 per month on social media management costs. That's a significant cost savings that can help you grow your business.
If you want to learn more about these tools and how to use them to grow your business, hit subscribe. We drop 2 new videos every week.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll be covering the top 5 AI tools for content creation.